Hello and welcome back to Learn with Wanja. Today we are going to be talking about a platform called Ysense and just learn on how to make money with Ysense. And so Ysense is a global community, online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, and more. So paid surveys, earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next generation of products, services, and much more. Cash offers, get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, and more. And then we have referrals, share Ysense with your friends and watch your earnings grow. You will earn up to 10% of what your referrals make. Sounds like a good deal. So let's go to surveys. So I have first to sign up or sign in so that I can access the surveys. Right now I'm not able to. Offers. We are told to get paid to complete offers. There is about Ysense offers. What is a Ysense offer exactly? And we have something like testing new services, watching videos, signing up for websites. You can still sign up, join or sign in from here. We have affiliates. So this is where you share Ysense with your friends and watch your earnings grow. We have seen it in the previous tab. So you can see all these terms. You can read them carefully. We have cash out. So they're taking me back to the first page where they explained about paid surveys, cash offers, and referrals. We also have forum and more. So you can check out the site. They have some wonderful reviews from members. But as always, use another site to check reviews. So we go to Trustpilot and you can see it's rated 3.3. That is slightly above average. So again, what are people saying? So we can open the reviews. Someone saying enjoyable survey and cash out process. That is 3 days ago. Others are saying different things there. You can read those different things. As always, great experience, fun. You can see all these comments, positive and negative. Again, go through these comments. Try to understand the challenges that these freelancers had with the platform. And for those who are praising the platform, see why they are praising it. And again, make a decision. Is it worth it? Is it worth your time? Is it worth your energy to join the platform? But as you can see, it is pretty slightly above average. Yes, and that is Ysense. You can always try out new platforms, but be fully aware of the pros and cons. And what is the best way to get the pros and cons? Always check out what are other people saying about this platform. Yes, and if you notice, these people are from different countries. You can check up here. This is somebody from US. This is somebody from IQ. This is somebody from GB, somebody from US. So you can check CA. You can check the initials of which countries they stand for and see, is it an issue about the country that someone comes from or something like that? Because there are some survey platforms that favor some countries more than others. So with that, you'll be able to judge, you'll be able to analyze and make an informed decision when joining Ysense or any other freelancing platform of your choice. And that brings us to the end of this video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. And until the next one, stay locked at Learn with Wanja. Bye-bye.